there, welcome back to our channel. If you've got rubber flooring at home or in your business, you know how essential it is to keep them clean and well maintained. We've got you covered with 4 easy steps to ensure your rubber floors remain spotless and in top-notch condition. So, let's dive right in. 1. Clearing the area. Before we begin, make sure to remove any furniture or obstacles from the rubber flooring. Having a clear area will allow you to clean the floors thoroughly without any hindrance. 2. Sweeping or vacuuming. Next, grab a broom or a vacuum cleaner with a soft brush attachment. Regular sweeping or vacuuming will help remove loose debris, dust, and dirt from the surface, preventing them from getting ground into the rubber. 3. Mopping with gentle cleaner. Now, it's time to mop the rubber flooring. But remember, not all cleaners are suitable for rubber. Choose a mild, pH-neutral cleaner and dilute it with water as per the manufacturer's instructions. Using a harsh cleaner can damage the rubber, so be cautious. 4. Drying and finishing touches. Once you've mopped the entire area, use a clean, dry mop or towel to remove any excess moisture. Leaving the rubber flooring wet can lead to slips and falls. And there you have it, folks. 4 easy steps to keep your rubber flooring looking fresh and clean.